things that you can run out and get right now. So if you're interested, just keep watching. So y'all, let's just get into these gifts. These are gifts that's under $20, under $50, way under $50. I think I have one thing that might be $50, but everything else is like under $20, y'all. Let's get to it. Let's share it. So these lip glosses I got from Ross. I already took them out the packaging. These were only $5.99, $6, and they come with a set of 5. Really, really cute. And if you want to give this as an entire set, you can. My plan is to give these individually, where I can probably give 1 to a friend or 2 to a friend, and put them in a stocking, put them in a little gift bag, and this is a perfect gift. This was another set of lip glosses that I got. I took these out the packaging as well, and these I plan on giving individually. Also, I love these. I love the packaging of it. I love that it has that bling little diamond at the top, and I think it'll make such a cute little gift. Now, like I said, I'm planning on giving them individually. I could mix and match them and give 2 of these, 2 of these, or I could just mix and match them and give 1 of each to a friend. Look how cute that is. This is like such a cute gift, such a perfect gift. These 2 set of lip glosses were $6 each, so they were $12 in total, totally under $20, and you have a set of 5 gifts if you decide to give a friend 2 and friend 2. So it's 2 sets of each. This is so good. Any girly girl would love these. At Ross, I also found this really cute brush. Look, I just want you to look at the handle. It is blinged out, and it is already packaged really, really cute. It is already fully packaged, really, really cute. This was only $5.99. It was $6 for this. Any makeup girl, girly girl would love this as a gift. And I also found the set of, how many brushes in here? 2, 4, of 5 brushes. I also found the set of 5 brushes that matches with that look. It also has that bling on it. Oh, it's so cute. This is such a cute gift to give. I think it's one of the best gifts that I've chosen, and these were at Ross. This was $6.99 and this was $5.99. So this is a really cute gift under $20. Under $20. Love that. I also found this nudie shade palette at Ross, all neutral shades. This will go with any complexion, if you're light skin, dark skin, black or white. It is filled with neutral colors, shimmer and matte colors, and I totally love it. And these are some of the shades that's in there. I think they are really, really pretty. Look at that, all the pretty colors in here. I love this so much that I end up getting 2. I got 1 for me and 1 for a friend. This was only $8. $8 for this, and it makes the perfect gift. Now, if you want to add something onto it, I did get some mascara that I'm going to add to it, because if you're going to do your eyes, you probably want to do mascara, or you could either add some lashes to it. But if you just want to up the ante on your gift, and this mascara I believe was only $4. So the shadow is $8, the mascara is only $4, and you have such a nice gift under $20 for one of your girlfriends. I totally love it. Or you can take it out and separate it and give one of these with a lip gloss. You could do so much stuff. Just get some of those little gift bags, those tiny gift bags, and drop it in there, and it's such a perfect gift. I totally love it. Also, I found these slippers. These were from Burlingtons. These are some indoor outdoor slippers, because the heel, the sole is hard, but perfect for indoors. And it has that faux fur. It's really soft. Love these. These were only $12.99 at Burlington, and they are Jessica Simpson brand. These retail for $38. These are super cute, and they're under $20. So you're spending less than $15 for some really, really cute slippers. Really nice gift ideas. I love it. I also found these slippers. These are also from Burlingtons, and these were $9.99. So these are $10. The Nicole Miller brand, and it is pink. I don't know if the camera is doing it any justice, but it's such a pretty powder pink, and it has some of those faux diamonds on it. Really cute. Really cute gift idea. I love this. If you have a girlfriend or friend that loves, you know, to be home and be comfy and stuff, slippers are the perfect gift ideas. These gifts are all under $20, and we all know that Christmas is around the corner. These gifts you can run out and get right now at Ross, Burlingtons, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. They all have these different type of gifts that you can get and bundle together, or separate them and give them individually. Really good idea. If you have friends that are into health and into trying to get fit and want to drink more water, I think a Stanley is a perfect gift to give. This is a limited edition. I think this is still on their website, but you can find different Stanleys at Target and different places. And if you have an athlete that, you know, works out a lot, I think a Stanley cup is perfect. This one is matching me so well, but this is a really good gift idea. Stanleys, for limited editions, you're going to spend a little more, but this one was $45. I'm sure the ones at Target, I think they're $45, $50. If you want to go to $50, Stanleys are good. They also, this is a 40 ounce. They also come in 20 ounce if you want to get a smaller version. But those are just some gift ideas that I got. And I hope I'm inspiring you to get some really nice gifts for your friends that's inexpensive, y'all. I hope that this video inspires you to get some really cute gift ideas or little inexpensive gifts for friends, because it's not always about how much money you spend. It's always about the thought that you thought about somebody to even get them a gift. So we got all those gifts out the way. And I want to share a package that I got with you from Fashion Nova. I did order some little pullover sweatshirts, and I think that might be a good gift too, but let me share that with you right now. So y'all, I did receive this package from Fashion Nova. It's been sitting in my living room for the longest, and I said, let me just open it and let me share with you what I got. These are some really cute sweatshirts I love to wear, lounge wear at home, or if I'm just running out and going to the store, something like that. I love cute little tops. So let me show you what I got. And like I said, this could be a gift for one of your girlfriends if you want to give one away. So y'all, my battery is going dead. It goes dead so easy. So y'all, I didn't realize I bought so many sweatshirts from Fashion Nova, but I do like to be comfy at home because it is the winter months. So I do like to be comfy when I'm hanging out in the basement or just hanging around the house, or if I'm running out. These are really cute sweatshirts. Now I got so many, I can actually give a few away as a present. So let me run them down really quick. So these are all of the sweatshirts that I got, and my daughter's already picking out which one she wants. So let's go. Let's do this really quick. I got this one, and they're all in a large size. I always get my sweatshirts oversized. I got this one that says Brooklyn because I am a Brooklyn girl. I grew up in Brooklyn, so I love this one with the Brooklyn on it. I got a green one, and this one says East Coast. So this is the green one. This like off-white one that says Paris. One that says New York in black. This one is really cute. I love it. All these sweatshirts, I think they were either $9.99, between $9.99 and $12.99. Also got another one in pink. Why did I buy all of these? I don't know. I think they were on sale. But this one is pink, and it says Nantucket. This one is really cute. I love this off-white one with the tennis rackets on it. I think it's really cute. This one is a cream color one with the letters in green. I love this one as well. And this one says California. Love this one too. Another one that says New York, and this one is in that heather gray color, and the New York is in red. I like this one. I like the color combination of this one with the red and the gray. This one says California too. So yeah, these are all. Did I get two that say California? I hope I don't have two black ones that say California. But anyway, let me know in the comments what you like. But yes, these are really good gift ideas, and I'm glad you stopped by and had this little talk with me. Hope you have a great shopping experience going out there trying to find some of these gift ideas, but you can do it. Come have, Pepper don't want to say bye. Come say bye. Come. Say bye. Say bye, babe.